Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Electrum Wallet, full guide. Start by downloading Electrum from the official source and verify the installer signature. Create a new wallet, choose a wallet type, and write down the seed phrase on paper immediately. Set a strong password and enable encryption. If you have a hardware wallet, connect it and follow prompts to import your accounts and verify addresses before sending funds. Start by creating a new wallet and choosing the appropriate type for your needs. Electrum will generate a seed phrase. Copy it exactly and store it offline, and separate it in case of theft or damage. Enable password encryption on the wallet file and consider adding 2FA or a hardware device for extra protection. Always verify receiving addresses and firmware versions when using external devices to avoid scams or malware. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for long crypto sessions, preventing shaky hands when you review seed phrases or type passwords. It keeps water close and motivation high. Check the video description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When sending Bitcoin, pick a fee rate that balances cost and confirmation time. Higher fees confirm faster. Use Electrum's coin control to select specific UXO, which helps manage privacy and avoid creating dust. Always confirm the full receiving address and amount on your own device if possible, especially with hardware wallets. Review all details before clicking send, and keep a small test transaction for new or untrusted addresses to be safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.